Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to McHale Center at Alchemy Arena in Tucson. Big 12 Gymnastics on ESPN+. What a terrific atmosphere we have here today for Alumni Day as the GymCats celebrate their 50th anniversary as a program. Also, the day we induct 𝓢𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓭 into the Ring of Honor. As we are ready to get going here to lead things off for Arizona.
Great ball for Abigail. So much height off the table.
That's all smiles after that one. 𝓢𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓭𝓼.
Oh, and that's exactly how Arizona wanted to finish this rotation with a huge stuck landing.
𝓢𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓭𝓼, the sophomore, coming up big as the anchor in the vault.
She's going to be happy with that.
Here's the other in the gym. You do every single day. You guys look really good.
And now we're going to head over to the bars for the GymCats.
Beautiful start for the Wildcats in this bar rotation. Beautiful form throughout this routine.
Oh my goodness. Delaney Mead. We've got sticks all over the place here this afternoon. As now it's Martin on the bars.
Abigail Martin has just been fantastic for the Wildcats. So consistent. That's exactly what they've been needing. And sticks the landing. And that's exactly what they're looking for is a solid routine. Hit the handstands, hit the positions, and nail that landing. Into that stuck position. Fantastic way to end this rotation for Arizona.
And lead things off here on the beam. It is going to be Gianna Lynchner, the senior.
And she nailed it.
Another stick.
Beautiful stuck landing. Awesome routine.
And that is a career high for Lynchner as well.
That is what Arizona's looking for in their leadoff, is that kind of momentum that will carry through to the rest of the team. Very solid. Punch front, you don't see that very often, very difficult. Around that 1.5 stuck landing. Really dialed in on that landing. Beautiful routine by 𝓢𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓭𝓼. Love the confidence.
Great work for the sophomore, 𝓢𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓭𝓼. Big hugs, well deserved.
Fantastic routine by Sophie Dur. Handspring and Vanderpool off the side, stuck landing. I mean, that is exactly how they've really scripted this rotation to go.
As we head to the fourth and final rotation, it will be Arizona on the floor. Again, another fun performance here for the GymCats with 𝓢𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓭𝓼. Riley Carmen has such an infectious personality, and it shows. Great start here for Arizona.
Beautiful routine for Sophie Dur. Great all-around performance today. So much energy, and she brought it home here with this beautiful floor routine.
All right, settle in, everybody. It's the showstopper, the senior, Emma Strong.
Huge layout step out.
Emma Strong, so good. So Arizona comes away with the victory here by almost 2 points. What a performance here on Alumni Day from the GymCats.